Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So I am finally back home, and I've been home for a couple of 3 weeks, and I was asked here by some of our followers and subscribers if I had stopped putting out videos, but obviously I have not. However, on my flight home, I stopped by in Virginia, by the way, and I visited with family and took a little bit of time to be with my, I have 3 kids in Virginia Beach, and I stopped there and spent some time with them, the 4 grandkids we have there. So I decided to stop there and try to enjoy my time with them for a little bit. But anyway, one of the reasons I haven't put out a video is once I got on the flight overseas out of New York to Qatar, I suddenly started having a terrible toothache. And it turns out that I actually had a couple of abscessed tooth. So over the last couple of weeks, I've been to the dentist, done a couple of root canals, and been on some antibiotics to try to get that under control. But we are going to start now putting out some videos. I had some of our subscribers put in some requests, so tomorrow, if the weather permits, we're going to go out and do a couple of those videos, walking a couple of neighborhoods to show everybody places to live in the Philippines. We've done a series of that, and we're going to continue doing that. That has been some of our most popular videos, actually, where we just put out information on where to live, how to live, what to do and what not to do, and that kind of stuff. So tomorrow we are going to do a few minutes of that, and try to cut there. So tomorrow we're going to go out and try to put out a couple of those videos for you again, and try to get back here. I start feeling a little better after having the treatments done. So it's time to go to work on some videos. Anyway, we have not been completely sitting at home. The other day we went to the mall, and I just took a little walk around, just needed to get out of the house, and we also had some stuff we needed to get done. I'm looking for a good data so I can upload videos when I'm on the road. We are going to start to travel a little bit, so we're going to try to get that done. And I was looking for like a pocket Wi-Fi of some sort, but they're hard to find with any good quality here for a decent price. If there's anybody out there that knows about one, let me know. Send me a little message down in the comment bar if you know of any pocket Wi-Fi. I require at least 4G. I guess that's the only thing, or the maximum you can get here in Philippines. But anyway, we took a little walk around in SM and went to the grocery store up there. Is it called Hypermart? And visited a little bit with Janice's sister, who works there. Say hi after I got back, and then we just took a stroll through the mall and got out there doing it. Anyway, when it comes to the Hypermart, especially the one in the mall in SM Clark. I go there sometimes when I need to look for a little more international foods. They have a halfway decent assortment, and that's where I go and get my coffee. You know, I'm not too much about the Filipino grounded coffee. So I go and buy my Folgers and whatnot they got in stock, so I go and get that done.
Yeah, we're here to visit my sister.
You doing good? We saw you the other day, but you were on your way to work when we got up to Sedera. So you're closing today, tomorrow? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, well, we're just going around. I need to buy some. What do you call it? Pocket Wi-Fi. We're going down to Samar, so I got to find the pocket Wi-Fi that will work down there. Is that Globe might work? Secondly, they have a pretty decent vegetable market, and here's Janice's sister. She actually works up there, so we stopped in and say hi and see how she's doing. Alright guys, this wraps this little short update from us, wraps it up, and we will return tomorrow. We're, like I said in the beginning, we're going to go out, visit some neighborhoods, do some walking, do some talking, try to interview some people in the real estate market. And we come back with that video tomorrow. So for now, thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe button if you like our videos. God bless. See you tomorrow.